welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys might have already seen the things that are included in this video, so let's just get started with unboxing with the packets that just arrived from Faces Canada. And I just ordered some nail paints honestly because I was like, I needed some good colors and I'm so bored with the colors that I have, so I really like these colors, so I just ordered them. I am honestly into a very basic nude colors and a little bit of I don't know, like bluish tones, as you will see here. So this is the color that I ordered. My camera was not focusing on it, but I'll link it in the description below. If any of you are interested in it, then you can just go and check it out. So this is how the packing was, and it was really impressive, but the blue was a little muted from what I expected it to be. But overall, the blue was not that bad and really loved these colors. So let's just get started with our journaling now. This month I'm gonna use this sheet of paper everywhere because I just really wanted to do a sheet one again. I did it in my study journal. As you can see, not much doodle, not much drawing and stuff, but just some papers and some calligraphy and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking about the front page. As you can see, just a strip of November that I stick there, and for the front page I obviously spoiled it a lot and then I made it a book kind of thing, which I really think turned out so well. And for the next monthly page, this is gonna be our again the basic page that we include every month, but it's so useful for me that I can track my goals every month and proper schedule my days, and I have an ideal schedule for a month, and which I see and look at that and I feel like I have to follow this schedule and work hard for it. And so it really helps having a monthly page, which is like a goal page for the whole month. Whenever you feel distracted, whenever you feel that you're off track in your studies or your work, you just go back to that page and you just feel like, okay, I have to do this kind of. So as you can see, this is how the page turned out and I really loved it. So for the next page, we're just gonna go for the plain simple again, this thing, as you can see here. And I just really wanted to go with the journaling vibe, the creative journal vibe. Like on my main journal, I wanted to add a little journaling side to it, so that's what I did. You can do it as well, just keep a page for your creativity and it just really helps you clear your mind out. So this is how my monthly journal turned out to be. If you like it, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I know that I'm super late in uploading this video. I'm so sorry for that, but I'll see you in the next video. This is it for this week's video. Bye.